Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling how to use Zoho Project for event management. Let's dive right in. First up, log into your Zoho Project account and click on the Create New Project button. Now this is your starting point for event management, allowing you to create a dedicated space for your event. Once you've named your event, move on to the Tasks and Milestones section. Here, you can create tasks related to your event, like booking a venue or sending invites. The reason we do this is to ensure that every aspect of your event is tracked and nothing falls through the cracks. Now that we've done that, let's allocate these tasks. Click on Assign Task and choose the team member responsible. This helps us because it ensures every task has a responsible party and everyone knows what they need to do. Let me explain why this matters. In event management, clear task allocation is critical to ensure a seamless event. Next up, set deadlines for each task. Click on the calendar icon next to each task and choose the due date. This step is essential to keep your event planning on track and ensure that all tasks are completed on time. Finally, use the document module to upload any necessary files like contracts or guest lists. This keeps all your important documents in one place, making it easier for you to find what you need when you need it. In conclusion, Zoho Project is a powerful tool for event management, helping you to keep track of tasks, allocate responsibility, meet deadlines, and keep your documents organized. And that's a wrap on using Zoho Project for event management. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy planning.